Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make walnut milk. This milk is alkaline vegetarian milk that is low in carb, rich in antioxidant, and it's a good source of essential fatty acid. So stay tuned. So to make this walnut milk, I'll be making use of half cup of walnuts. So I'll add the walnuts into the bowl, add enough water, leave it to soak for about 8 hours or overnight. So after about soaking the walnut for about 8 hours or more, you can notice that it has doubled in size and the water has turned brown. I'm going to strain to remove the water, rinse it properly. So when I'm done rinsing it, I'll be making use of 1.5 cup of water. I will add it into the blender. So I'm going to sweeten this drink with date. You can decide to use any sweetener of your choice. So I'm going to remove the seed from the date. Add the date into the blender. I'm going to be adding the soaked walnuts. Cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to get the milk. So with a clean washed hand, I'm going to squeeze to get the milk. So when I'm done squeezing, you can decide to use the leftover to bake. Finally, the walnut milk is ready. This milk is packed with vitamin E, antioxidant, and some other important nutrients which are very important for our heart, brain health, and other body functions. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.